Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this easy sticky pork recipe. I've already preheated my oven to 180 Celsius. For this I'm going to be using 4 pork shoulder steaks. Once I've trayed them up, I'm just going to pour over some Coca-Cola and some water. Then I'll just cover over with some tin foil and cook in the oven until soft and tender. How long this will take depends on the thickness of the steaks. While the steaks are cooking, I'm going to get on with making the sticky sauce. I'll just take 1 small pot and add 8 tablespoons of soft brown sugar. I'm going to leave the full list of ingredients in the description box. Next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And in goes 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and 8 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and I'm adding a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and for a bit of a kick I'm adding 2 teaspoons of hot chili flakes, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic granules, and lastly half a teaspoon of dried thyme. I'll give that all a good stir and I'm going to allow it to boil for about 2 minutes before taking it off the heat. Once the pork is tender, I'll place it on some kitchen paper and let it dry. Once the pork's dry, I'll smother both sides with the sauce. Now I'm just going to leave it in the fridge to marinate for as long as possible before popping back into the oven until piping hot and crispy on top. I allowed my pork to marinate for 2 hours before popping it back into the oven to serve piping hot. And there it is, sticky pork, so tasty and simple. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.